Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I am going to show you how to make Facebook messages unread. So let's get started our video. First of all, launch on your Messenger application and look at this. There have a lot of conversation, and if you want to make any conversation as unread, so tap and hold your person ID like that, and on the down you get mark as unread. Just tap on this mark as unread, and now look at this person ID is unread, and try again another ID. Just tap and hold person ID, then you get mark as unread option. Just tap it. Look at this. In this way, you can make a Facebook messages unread very easily. Hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.